Hiya beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Segen, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my take on a classic breakfast. I'm going to be showing you how to make FUL. So if you're interested to see how I make this beautiful classic dish, continue watching. Just like in all of my cooking vlogs, I'm going to be listing all the ingredients you need in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. But before we get started, you already know I have to give my post notification shoutouts to the following people right over here. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot. If you guys want a shout out like them, all you have to do is click the notification bell, let me know that you're a new subscriber in the comment section down below, and I'll give you a shout out on my next upload. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so let me know down below if you're new so I can show you guys some love. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started on making FUL. Okay, so to get started with our FUL, I'm just gonna add some olive oil to our pot. And once the oil starts heating up, I'm gonna add in our onions. And I also have the stovetop set at a medium-high heat. All right, so I'm going to add in our onions. I'm using red onions, but you can also use white onions. So I'm just gonna let the onions kind of sweat out a little bit, and then we'll add some tomatoes. So our onions have cooked down, so I'm gonna add in our tomatoes. So I chopped up some tomatoes, so I'm just going to add that in. So I'm going to let the tomatoes cook down as well before I start adding in our beans. Okay, so now that the tomatoes have cooked down a little bit, I'm going to add in our beans. So I'm just going to add that in to our pot here. So I get these fava beans from the grocery store, but if you find the FUL is on the thicker side, just add a little bit of water to thin things out. So as the beans cook down, I'm also going to add some chili. So this is optional. I just like my FUL a little bit spicier. So I'm just going to add some green chili to the mix. But again, if you don't like it spicy, you don't have to add this. This is completely optional. So I have it set at a medium heat, so I'm going to let it cook down for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so the FUL is looking good. Just going to stir it up a little bit. And I'm also going to add a little bit of salt as well. Okay, so our FUL is cooking down really nicely. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start smashing the beans, and then we're pretty much done. So I'm just going to get my potato smasher. So I'm just using my potato smasher to smash up our beans. Not like all the way. I like some of the beans like whole, but most of the beans we're just going to smash. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's honestly your preference. If you like your full a little bit more on the smoother side, then you can continue smashing. But I kind of like my full on the lumpier side, like a mix between the two, a bit smooth and a little bit lumpy. So I've turned off the heat. I'm just gonna cover up our full, and the next thing I'm gonna do is prep the toppings. Okay, so this part is completely optional, but I absolutely love it. It really elevates the dish to a whole nother level. I like to cut out my chili peppers, like make them hollow, and I like to stuff them with garlic, parsley, red onion, and tomatoes. It tastes absolutely amazing. So I just quickly mix those ingredients and then stuff them into my peppers to have when I'm having my full. It is so good. But like I said, it's completely optional. If you like things on the more spicier side like me, then I would suggest definitely making them. But if you don't like things spicy, you don't necessarily have to do this step. But I promise you guys, it tastes so good. So now it's time to plate up our full. So I'm just going to grab our full and place it in our bowl. So for toppings, we have feta cheese, red onion, tomatoes, cucumber, some chili peppers, and of course, our stuffed chili peppers. Look at that. Oh, this is like my favorite thing. This is completely optional. I just like having that as an add-on. So I am going to plate up my food. Oh my God, I almost forgot. I just toasted up some pita bread. So I'm just going to place our pita bread right over here. This is very important. I'm of course going to have our stuffed chili pepper right over here. And for toppings, I'm gonna have some feta cheese. Put that right in the middle there. I love feta cheese, you guys already know. So we have our feta cheese. Next, I'm gonna add some onions. I love onions. I'm that person. Like I don't shy away from onions. I'm gonna add some tomatoes. Yeah, a little bit of cucumber as well, because why not? And you guys already know I love my food spicy with a little bit of kick, so I'm gonna add in a bit of green chilies. And then to really finish off our full, oh my God, it looks so beautiful. To really finish it off, I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon, just to drizzle that on top, because it really brings it to a whole nother level. Oh yes. And to really finish it off, I'm gonna drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. Just like that. I'm gonna leave a lemon wedge right on the side here in case I wanna add some more, but that is how to make FUL. Look at how beautiful that looks. All the beautiful colors, super healthy. You can also add hard-boiled egg as a topping, whatever you like, but this is how I like my FUL. Oh my God, it just really reminds me of being at home with my family because we love, love, love FUL. All right, everyone, that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up, share this one with your family and friends, and remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you guys want that post notification shout out, all you have to do is click the notification bell, let me know that you're a new subscriber in the comment section down below, and I'll give you guys a shout out on my next video. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.